Watch through to the end to see how much it could cost you. Are you a Mazda owner experiencing weird electrical gremlins, like a slow start or flickering dash lights? You're not alone. If you're taking it to the dealer for a battery issue, you need to see this first. Hey everyone, quick heads up. Watch through to the very end because we're breaking down a specific Mazda service alert that could make or break your warranty claim. Plus, we'll reveal how much it might cost you. Alright, let's dive in. This applies to many newer Mazdas like the popular CX-5, the CX-30, and the sporty MX-5 Miata. There's a specific dealer communication, a technical service bulletin or TSB you should know about. It's filed under NHTSA ID 1N2035 and Mazda's internal document is SA0725A. Now this is a recall. A recall is a free fix for a safety defect. A TSB is an internal guide for technicians on diagnosing a known issue. Mazda isn't proactively replacing batteries. Instead, this bulletin gives dealers very specific instructions on how to test your battery you bring your car in for a warranty claim. It's all about standardizing that process. Dealers are required to use one particular tool, the Midtronics DCA-8000 tester. This is a sophisticated diagnostic machine, not your average parts store tester. The technician must use it how Mazda says. A critical step is inputting the correct battery rating. Many original Mazda batteries use a JIS, or Japanese Industrial Standard rating, not the common CCA rating. The tech must check the label and enter the right one. Get that wrong, and the test is invalid. So, why does this matter? You might have real problems. A car that struggles to start or flickering warning lights. These are classic signs of a dying battery. But if the DCA-8000 prints a slip that says battery good, Mazda's policy is firm. They won't replace it under warranty. Your claim will be denied. Technicians online confirm that if the test isn't done perfectly, if the wrong setting is used, it can easily pass a battery that's actually failing. This means you could be stuck making multiple trips to the dealer with a car that still isn't fixed. The bottom line, it's a service alert telling dealers how to process battery warranty claims. At the dealership, politely ask if they're using the DCA-8000 and have confirmed the correct battery rating. If your claim is denied or you're out of warranty, you're paying out of pocket. A new battery could run you anywhere from $150 to $300. That price depends on the brand, where you go, and your model. Some newer Mazdas with systems like iStop or iE-Loop require more expensive AGM batteries, pushing that cost even higher. We hope this helps you navigate a dealership visit with more confidence. If this helped you, hit that like button. We really want to hear from you. Have you experienced this issue? Share your story in the comments. It could help other owners. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more insider car tips.